I have a 10 years green card for my wife, from actually my ex-wife. And in 2011, when I received the temporary green card for 2 years, I traveled twice to Europe and have no problem. And then when I received the 10 years green card, I went to Poland and they pulled me over. They held me in a room with a lot of people for 1 hour. And they came back, they gave me the green card, and they told me, welcome back. And that happened random because I have conviction 20 years ago.
Because you have a conviction 20 years ago. Nothing happens random.
Okay.
You know what they call that room? Some people call that room. I'm not saying anything bad about you, but you know what they call that room? They call that room the bad boy room. What is your conviction from 20 years ago? What happened?
3 convictions, 2 times driving under suspended license. And everything happened with the 1 year. And the last one, I was charged with public indecency, but they throwing out the case, and I was guilty to disorderly conduct and have supervision for 1 year.
Okay. None of that should prevent you from traveling. It may stop you and they want to look through your records, but disorderly conducts and driving with a suspended license, none of that is a deportable or inadmissible offense. When did you get your green card?
2011.
Okay, when you got your green card in 2011, did you present all of these dispositions to the Immigration Service and say, hey, I got these? You did. You did.
Of course.
Okay, so they should not be stopping you. You have 2 choices. One is you are eligible to become a citizen, and then that resolves your problem. The other thing you can do is you can write ICE in Washington, D.C. and ask them, you're on a lookout list for these arrests that happened 20 years ago and you shouldn't be pulled aside every time you travel. You can write and say, hey, this is what happened. I already showed my dispositions when I came in the airport. I already showed my dispositions when I got my green card. Everybody has said this is okay. It's a disorderly conduct. It's a driving without a license. It was 20 years ago. I shouldn't have to be inconvenienced and be pulled off of line because I'm not a bad boy. I mean, not going to say bad boy, but you know what I'm talking about.
No, I know.
You didn't do anything bad. So, and they should be able to take that. You know, you just probably have some sort of flag or something in the computer, something to that effect.
Okay, great. Thank you.
All right, thank you.